Top 5 questions of HRDP15E POW. The micromotor in this unit is brushless or not?
It's brushless with lower noise, longer lifespan, and higher efficiency than those brush ones.
If I want the unit installed with LED curing light, is it possible?
Yes, we could offer the unit with Woodpecker LED curing light installed for you specially.
What's the adjustable speed range of the motor?
It's 1,000 to 40,000 revolutions per minute, can meet the needs of high-speed handpiece and slow-speed handpiece treatments.
Which handpieces could be used with HRDP15E power?
16 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 4.2, and 1 to 5 handpieces are all available with HRDP15E power.
If I go to a remote area without power source, can this unit work there?
Yes, HRDP15E power can work there with a mobile power source which could be get easily from local market and technical data of the mobile power source for refer.
AC 110V 60 Hz or AC 220V 50 Hz. AC power supply greater than or equal to 300 W, matched socket with the unit.